wonderful viewers, near and far. Welcome to another riveting and inspirational episode right here on Decor Puzzle 2.0, the sanctuary where your home and garden dreams take flight. Today, we are set to delve deep into the world of garden landscaping, an art that transforms ordinary backyards into breathtaking outdoor spaces, brimming with life, color, and tranquility. So, pour yourself a comforting beverage, snuggle into your favorite spot, and join us in this 20-minute garden odyssey that promises to spark a revolution in your backyard. Imagine standing before a blank canvas, a universe of potential waiting to be harnessed and shaped into a masterpiece. This barren backyard echoes the sentiments of countless spaces eager to metamorphose into green sanctuaries of joy and peace. Today, we are set on a journey to sprinkle life, color, and creativity, turning these blank canvases into vivid tapestries of nature's grandeur. Every masterpiece starts with a plan, a vision that guides each stroke of the brush. Similarly, landscaping your garden demands a well-thought blueprint. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of plants, materials, or color schemes, we take a moment to visualize the layout. Ponder upon the ambience you wish to cultivate. Is it a zen oasis of calm and tranquility, or a vibrant, bustling Eden of colors, textures, and fragrances? Your chosen theme will be the compass, directing each step and choice in the landscaping journey. The heartbeat of any garden lies in its focal point, a centerpiece that commands attention and sets the thematic tone for the entire landscape. It might be a grand fountain that sings the songs of the oceans, or a rustic bird bath that becomes a social hub for our feathered friends. It could also be an elegant sculpture, telling tales of art and history, or a tranquil rock garden, echoing the whispers of the mountains. Sometimes, the focal point chooses itself, emerging as a venerable tree that stands tall, narrating stories from seasons gone by. Let's tread further into the sanctuary, guided by pathways that weave through the garden like veins through a leaf. Picture yourself wandering through your garden with the rhythmic crunch of gravel accompanying your steps, or the artistic intrigue of a mosaic path inviting you to explore further. These pathways not only delineate sections but also create a delightful journey, offering changing perspectives and inviting visitors to savor each element at a leisurely pace. Now, we reach the crescendo of our garden symphony, the flora. Choosing the right plants is akin to a maestro selecting notes for a masterpiece. Visualize a harmonious assembly of perennial blossoms and annual blooms, towering trees and humble shrubs, coming together in a melodious symphony of colors, textures, and heights. Consider adding fragrant blooms that waft intoxicating aromas through the air, creating an aromatic sanctuary that tantalizes the senses. Flowing gracefully into the next chapter, we introduce the element of water, the life force that adds a heartbeat to your garden. Picture the serenity brought by a softly murmuring brook, or the vibrant life housed in a koi pond. These water features usher in an aura of tranquility, inviting a rich tapestry of life and offering a soothing background melody that harmonizes with the garden's vibrant life. As we navigate further, we stumble upon hidden havens where comfort meets nature, the seating areas. Imagine nestled corners adorned with rustic benches or modern swings, offering restful nooks to enjoy nature's bounty. Here, you can immerse yourself in a good book, share laughter with loved ones, or simply sit and witness the dance of butterflies and birds as they grace your garden. As twilight descends, it brings with it a magical transformation. Your garden, now bathed in the soft embrace of well-placed lighting, takes on a celestial beauty. Imagine pathways illuminated with solar lights guiding you through a nighttime garden tour, or LED strips accentuating water features and plants, creating a dreamscape right in your backyard. This luminescent spectacle promises to be a daily feast for your eyes, a glowing retreat offering solace and inspiration. In our final chapter, we explore the rhythms of maintenance, the gentle caretaking that ensures your garden thrives across seasons. Delve into the world of pruning, fertilizing, and pest control, learning to nurture your garden with tender love and care. Remember, a garden is a living entity, a space that grows, evolves, and flourishes under vigilant and loving eyes. As we draw the curtains on this episode, We trust your heart and mind are brimming with vibrant ideas, ready to undertake a garden transformation journey of your own. Remember, your garden is more than just an extension of your home. It's a canvas where nature and artistry unite, crafting a personal sanctuary of peace, beauty, and joy. Thank you for being a part of this magical garden escapade on Decor Puzzle 2.0. We invite you to stay connected, share your thoughts, and spread the love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Together, we will explore many more avenues of home decor and landscaping. Until we meet again, continue to weave dreams in your space, nurturing each corner with love and creativity. A beautiful home is always an evolving canvas of dreams and hard work. Happy gardening!